Hey guys, again. So today we will do mastery number 23, which is basically working with lists, and let's get started. So to initialize a list, it's very simple. You just put up these brackets here, and inside the values you want, of course separated with a comma. It is more or less recommendable though to put up that list or to link that list to a variable, in my case x, and if you do that, we will see that it gives us exactly the list we initialized here. So, okay, how do we work with that list? So, let's say first we want to add something to the end of the list. That goes with x.append and as argument the value you want. Keep in mind though that obviously for whatever reason only one value is addable though. So if we go like this, we see that at the end the 4 is added to the list. So far so good. Then let's see what else we can do. Let me just put out the prints here so they don't keep getting in the way. So if we want, for example, to merge two lists, I initialized another list here with 7 and 6. You go like x.extend and as argument the list you want to extend to the list. So keep in mind the x is the list where it is added to, and the y is the list it's added from. So if we run the program now, we see that we have the added list of y to our x. So see here, 2, 1, 3, 4, that's what we did up until here. And then we added the 7 and the 6 from the y part, from the y list. Okay, so it looks pretty chaotic. So you might want to sort your entire list, which is easy. You just go like x.sort and then you print it again. And we have everything very nice and in order. Alright, so what else can we do? Let's say we want a part of the list assigned to a variable like this. So let's say here you put the index. In this case it would be meanwhile 3, excuse me, since it also counts the 0. So it basically goes, the index goes like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5, yeah, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so if you want, let's say, the 3 in another variable, you can just draw it out of the list and put it to another one. This goes with, let's say, a variable with name t, and we want to more or less pop out the value with the index 2 out of the list x and assign it to t. Alright, after everything's said and done, we see that we assigned the 3, which was formerly part of x, to t, which we printed here, and the x got one value shorter because the 3 is now gone, and remains without the 3 like 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 now. Alright, so if we want to delete something from the list, you just go with del or del and then take the list we have or the variable we assigned the list to and more or less say which index part or which index space we want to have deleted. In this case the 1 should be gone, and since I blanked out this one here, the list now should be 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Let's see. Alright, there we go. So it basically took the index spot 0. Remember that lists start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, the index, and deleted it out of the list, so that now we are remaining with this part of the list. Alright, so far for the lists, just a few little operations, because it's just huge what you can do with lists and the methods and everything. So just a little introduction. I hope you learned something, and thanks for checking in. Bye.